I'm Dr. Sanjay Kulkarni, urologist, and my wife Dr. Josna Kulkarni, a laparoscopic surgeon, the first female laparoscopic surgeon in the world to perform laparoscopic cholecystectomy. We decided to build a new single specialty hospital, Kulkarni Neurosurgery Institute Private Limited, in the name of Urokul in Baner on the highway. Our approach was to have 100 beds in a single specialty and 5 operation theatres, and we searched around in Pune and around in Maharashtra and India to look for the best possible company to provide us what we required as a modern, ultra modern operation theatre, and ultimately we zeroed down on a company owned by Senior Latte and Mr. Amit Latte. Company's name is Microfilt, and we requested Mr. Amit Latte to have an ideal operation theatre. The theatre color combination, design, the glass and everything was just superb. Mr. Latte provided us with the best design of a media bridge, so the air filtered comes down in a straight line like a laminar flow, which is HEPA filtered, and all the microorganisms are filtered, so the clean air comes into the operation theatre directly on the patient. We wanted to avoid the corner risers which are at an angle, and Amit Latte has really included them in the wall, and our corners are at right angle. Then rather than having the HVAC on the 4th floor above, we went it one floor above, 5th floor, so the noise level reduction was significant. We were very happy with the touch controls that he provided for the surgeon's panel on the wall, and we also provided with large double glazed windows where we could see outside, so we don't feel like we are in a prison. Now, Microfilt's speciality is to provide the air which is filtered and which is sterile air, and that they are doing a fantastic job. We send the swabs for culture, and all swabs have come negative, and it shows that we are getting pure filtered air into the operation theatre. Our infection rate compared to past has significantly gone down, and very rarely a patient may get fever now, and our use of antibiotics has gone down from maybe 5 to 7 days. We may give 1 dose perioperatively, 1 dose postoperatively, and the patients are happy. There are many patients of stricture urethra who come to the theatre regularly, and they know how the theatres look like. Looking at this theatre, they are impressed because of the international or the ultra modern look the theatre gives to the patient, and they are very happy that they are undergoing treatment at a very nice place. So Josna has spent a lot of effort in designing and execution of this theatre and the hospital, and she is very happy to do a laparoscopic surgery in a clean environment. Josna?
Yeah, absolutely right. I think what Sanjay said has actually echoed my thoughts as well. We have become great friends of Amit, and thank you, Amit, for that. Whatever new suggestions he had with his experience, he would suggest whether our new ideas were good enough to be incorporated, and if they were good, he has actually incorporated them in his design. We have used powder coated because stainless steel, sometimes we feel it really encroaches on you because of the steel color. He has also used a glass on one wall, so I would highly recommend Microfilt system and Amit's efforts, as well as his dad, who started it 50 years ago, and I think they are doing a wonderful job, because surgical infection is one of the things which every surgeon is worried about, and with the Microfilt, the air that we get is less than they filter microbes which are less than 0.3 microns, which makes a lot of difference. And that's why the surgical field remains very sterile, and hence the use of antibiotic has gone down, and in spite of that, the patients have got no infection because of a good clean environment that has been provided to us. So many thanks to Amit and his team and to Microfilt, and I would highly recommend him to any other surgeon who wants to go for it. Thank you.
During our inauguration, many urologists and surgeons visited our hospital, and they were clearly impressed looking at it looks as if it is taken out of a book, medical book. You understand? It looks too good to be true. Everybody spends money, but if the expectations are exceeded, then Microfilt is a company where they will satisfy your needs. We're very happy. Congratulations.
Thank
you.